From the very little, I was always impressed by those players, Nakamura type of players, who are just coming and jump into it. I mean, they really have this aggression in themselves. I mean, it's like, it's a power, it's an energy, and it's very difficult to resist. So this is exactly the case when Black has the chance to show this full power, full energy. Show it, please. I think this move, it's not easy to find, especially besides some calculation. It requires some braveness, some skills. The idea Queen h4 is of course to target the king, target the f2 pawn, and together with the rook on f8 it works out very well. But if you would do simple way, I mean, after gf5 we would play some rook f5, of course would be not enough. The second move gives the answer to all questions. This is the move knight g3. This is really impressive. Rook g1, of course taking is not possible, and knight comes to d3, take the rook, and after queen f6 it's not possible to defend the position at all. So this was really powerful.